Only 90 Pinterest posts can change your life. If you want to make money online, so this video for you. Maybe you are a student or you are a single mom or you're looking for a side hustle or making money online, work from home. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can make money using Pinterest. The process we will follow. We will promote Amazon affiliate product and then we'll create AI videos using flexscript.com and then finally we'll use Pinterest. It's the easiest way you can make money because you will see the lots of people they are also making money using Pinterest. Let's get started. So no more delay. So let's get started. So first of all, set up your Pinterest account. One of the easiest setup, like as Facebook or other social media. So this is my banner. You can publish your banner as well and also the logo. So you should learn about this. What is personal and business? Like it's all about your personal. So you shouldn't post the personal photos or videos into the business account, and that should be different. So this is my business account. It's all about my business. So if you visit my Pinterest accounts like pinterest.com powerful details, and also you can add your website if you have. So I have already a WordPress blog website. So it could be blog website or e-commerce website, whatever it is. Okay. So this is my WordPress blog website. It's pretty simple and it's simple design. So you can create this kind of website for your business purposes. Okay. But as a beginner, you don't need it. But once you're making money, then you can create your website. So right now it's October. So November, December, you will find some different discount on domain hosting. So you can find your best domain. So you can set up your profile, then you can find your domain and you can get a hosting like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Namecheap and other. Just book your domain and purchase the hosting and then you can set up. Okay, that's another topic, guys. Okay, so first of all, we have to set up the Pinterest account. And the second step, go to Amazon, and the most important thing is you have to find the best product and you have to analyze the trending. And when you talk about the trending product or best product, so I always recommend to find your interest first. So if you are a tech lover, so definitely you can promote different kind of tech gadgets like iPhone or other video cameras, GoPro, Sony. If you are a fashion lover, so you can promote this kind of jewelry, clothing, shoes. The best option is click here all option and you will find all the categories. So clothing, shoes and jewelry. So let's click on that. We'll come up here and you will find also the subcategories, like you will see the sales and deals, women, men's. Okay, so let's click on women. All right, so it's now a Halloween deals and you will find the Black Friday. Okay, so scroll down and you will see the other subcategories like shoes, accessories, pants, dress, skirts, tops, jeans. All right, so let's click on the dresses, and the right side you will see a short boy featured, and make sure they click on vest. All right, so these are the best results. So this one you will see 29 reviews. Okay, this one 458 reviews. So always you should select the highest reviews. Okay, so this is how you can find the best product. So let's go back to our tech lovers or tech gadget products. Okay, so select you'll find the subcategories, and each and every subcategories has multiple subcategories. So let's click on the headphones. So let's open this product. Let's see we are want to promote this product and we want to make money. So this is the product, guys, we want to promote through the Pinterest and using the AI video. And the third step is we have to create the AI video. Alright, the most important, we can promote this product two ways. Like we can create a video, that's been Pinterest video. Also we can upload the images, that's mean we can create images using Canva. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the AI video. So I'm going to use flexscript.com. So let's click on AI video generator. So there are two ways we can generate video using AI. The number one is we have to copy the product title, that's mean this is the product title, product name. Alright, and we can use AI text to video and you can paste all the text over there. Okay, and then just click on generate, so it will generate a video. But I will show you the another way. Just copy the product URL and click on article URL to video and then paste the URL over there and then generate the video. And the right hand side you will see the images, videos and the captions over there. And the most important thing is that if you want to change this image or video, so you can. So just click on replace media, and what kind of videos and images do you want? Alright guys, so it's a 2 minutes video Okay, so there is a no title over there, so let's grab the product title. If you download as it is, so you will get a copyright strike problem. So if you want to change the subtitle or captions style, so let's click on that, and you will find the style option, and this is the subtitle styles. You will change the animation preset, so you will set this kind of highlights. Okay, so let's click on cool text. Okay guys, it's time to download or export this. So before download, we have to change the aspect ratio, which is really important because it's right now perfect for YouTube or long video. Like as you can see, 16:9 ratio. It's for, it will reframe this like 9:16. So if you want to upload into Pinterest, so make sure our aspect ratio 9:16. Already, so our video is uploaded, so you can edit the cover, that's mean the thumbnail. Okay, so click on that, and that's mean this will what people will see in places like search or home feed before they play your video. It's really important. Okay, so we have some few important things, like we have to add some titles. So make sure the product title and the description and the product URL, which is very important. It's called affiliate link, Amazon affiliate link. So how you can find the affiliate link, and then you can find each and every product's affiliate link and just copy the link and just paste it here, and then you can publish it. So this is how it works. Okay, so I believe if you watch these full tutorials, so you can get understand very clearly. Still, if you have any queries, please comment below. I'm really happy to support you guys, and if you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with another new tutorials. So see you in the next video.